Good afternoon, students. Today we're going to do a frequency distribution with Excel using the Data Analysis Toolpak. This data that I have here is just some of the characteristic data on a class that I taught. And you see I have their height in inches, and so we're going to do a frequency distribution of their height in intervals. So click on the Data tab, and we're going to use the Data Analysis Toolpak. If you do not already have it installed, then you need to go to File, Options, Add-ins, choose the Analysis Toolpak, and then at the bottom where it says Manage Excel Add-ins, click Go. And then the Analysis Toolpak should be checked, and say OK, and it will automatically install into your version of Excel on your computer. You only have to install it once, so once you get it installed, you'll have it. So now we are going to go to Data Analysis. I'm going to click the histogram, and you'll remember that a histogram is the chart that is created for continuous data. So we say OK, and then we need to choose our data, and so I'm going to include the heading all the way down to the bottom of the data. Because I chose the heading, I've checked labels, and then I need to choose a bin range. Your bin is set up so that you have the upper limit of your intervals. So here my intervals are 55 to 59, 60 to 64, 65 to 69, and 70 to 74. And my bin values are 69, 64, 69, and 74, those upper values. And notice that I am in a new worksheet when I'm doing this. And then choose your output range, and I'm just going to choose one cell, which is D1, but you could choose any cell you want, wherever you wanted to put it. And then I don't need it to do a cumulative percentage. I do want it to chart my output. And then I just say OK. And it automatically creates this nice little frequency distribution for me. But this is not the way we are used to seeing our frequency distribution, so I'm going to copy it down here to where we have our intervals. And then I'm going to auto sum these to get my total. And then to calculate the relative frequency, start with equals that cell divided by the total. And if you make the total absolute by clicking F4, then I can create that formula once and then drag it down. And then I can decrease my decimal places so that I only see 2 decimal places. And so this is our relative frequency. And that's it.